It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday. I know I'm wearing the Wednesday shirt. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm just confused this week. Oh my gosh, you guys. Bath and Body Works, day 2 of Member Appreciation Week. We're going to talk about this one. Oh my gosh, I think I need a t-shirt that says Jammy Debacle 2023. I need that. Oh my gosh, I've been reading all the comments. I think 99% of the comments from my videos yesterday were all in agreement. The jammies were not really an appreciation type of event. It was more like, okay, we got some swag. It's not in all the right sizes, but it wasn't like an appreciation thing to pay full price for jammies. So I noticed today I went on the size 12s are sold out, which is coincidentally the largest size. I probably would want a 14 if I actually got the jammies. Let me see robes. All the robes are still available. Let me see the slippers. I'm like, yeah, they're like, these are not getting sold out. Oh my gosh, slippers. Let me see here. None of the slippers are sold out. So if you still want to get the jammies, the slippers, the robes in limited sizes, they are available. I honestly, I almost think like semi-annual sale, we're going to be getting like $5 jammies. So just wait it out. So today, Bath and Body Works added a member exclusive today only. There are 47 fall candles that are $12.95. Again, so I mean, I've worked in marketing, for 25 years, and the problem with these Appreciation Day sales is you really need to make it feel like people are being appreciated. And I feel like the $12.95 sale, which is not a bad price, is basically just a sale price. We actually had a $12.95 sale not too long ago. A member appreciation sale would be $9.99 for candles. Like that would feel like a member appreciation. You know what? Go $8.99 for one day. Seriously, that would feel like a big appreciation for people that are shopping Bath and Body Works. So they still have the members only code, free shipping with 50. You don't need a code for the candles, so you still could get free shipping. Like I said, I mean, it's not a terrible deal for the $12.95, although it doesn't include any of the Halloween stuff, which I was surprised. I'm like, why not just put the Halloween in? I'm like, this, by the way, I love Girlfriend. I just don't get why they didn't put all the candles in there. They did it a couple weeks ago. So again, it just did not feel like a very big appreciation. The sale does include this collection, which is like the pumpkin cinnamon bun, the caramel pumpkin swirl. I still need to review this one. It includes, I thought it included this collection, but I didn't think cinnamon stick was on there. It's very strange what's included. Let me see. Fall farmhouse, leaves, some of the white barn candles. This collection is included. This is fireside, pumpkin bonfire. A lot of the fall favorites. For some reason, let me look at cinnamon stick. Was that one not on there? Fall farmhouse, flannel, the freshly brewed coffee. Oh yeah, cinnamon stick is on there. This is an online exclusive. Salted butterscotch is a good one. There's a lot of good fall candles on the list. Blueberry pumpkin patch, pumpkin apple, my favorite. I was just burning pumpkin apple last night. Actually, I think this pumpkin apple is actually on sale. I can smell pumpkin apple all day, honestly. Cranberry woods, cactus blossom, a lot of good fall ones, but again, not all of them. Halloween's not included, and I feel like the $12.95 price point was way too high for an Appreciation Day price. So we're on day 2. We're coming up on day 3 tomorrow. We shall see what day 3 brings. Let me know if you're shopping today, or if you're just gonna like wait it out until the new candles start rolling in. We should be seeing these sooner or later. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Remember, it's Tuesday, not Wednesday. I'll see you guys a little bit later. Bye-bye.